Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And so for today's video, I'm going to share with you what's in my wallet this 2023. And yeah, before we proceed this video guys, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. And for more updates, just click the notification ring bell button as well for giving you more updates on my next content in the future. And please do follow my social media accounts on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and Laika at Rey-Rey Okay, so first of all, I do wanted to apologize first because there will be background noises, so please bear with me. Okay, so let's get started. So basically, I do have my three wallets here with me. So I do have with my everyday wallet, and then I do have with my travel wallet with me, and then I do have my home wallet. Basically, guys, I don't need to share all of my cards in my home wallet because um, it's actually not so good to talk about it, and besides, it might be exceeded for some extra minutes and so forth. So yeah, um, I'm going to talk about what's inside my everyday wallet. So if I'm gonna open, oh, before taking out my cards here in my everyday wallet. So basically, this wallet is actually I bought this in. I actually forgot what's the name, but I actually like this product. So basically, I bought it here in Hawaii. Um, I think I bought this in Ala Moana Center Mall. So I actually like this wallet a lot because it's really useful, and yeah. So okay, so I'm going to open it. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to start this compartment here. So basically, I don't have cash with me. So basically, when I got here in the US, I usually became cashless, and for some other reasons, I actually became cardless too as well. Why? So basically, I do have with my mobile wallet with me. So as you can see, I do have my cards here in my Apple Pay or Apple Wallet. So basically, if I'm going to do some payments, so I just tap it, then they're good to go. So yeah. Okay, so let's get started. So I do have with my US vaccination card with me, and then I do, and then it's actually that's it. So yeah, and then the next compartment is oh, so just a moment. So okay, so I do have with my postal ID with me. So yeah, um, so basically it's actually not very uh, practice practical to use this kind of ID with me. But for some reasons, if you're just a tourist that um, like you have your visa with you, then definitely you can have this postal ID with you at all times, or even some Philippine driver's license, or some any kind of valid government issued IDs back in the Philippines when you're traveling here in the US. So yeah, and what do I have here? So I do have with my BPI credit card. So basically, this is my very very first credit card back in the Philippines that I actually never Never let it go. So this is my favorite card at all. If you so if you if you guys wondering how to get this as a student and unemployed and 20 years old and below, so if you want to know that, it's one of my contents here in my YouTube channel as well. So just find it, and then yeah. So what are the benefits of having this BPI Blue Mastercard credit card? So basically, it can actually earn BPI points that you can use for shopping credits, gift vouchers, airline miles, and many more. So the feature of this product is are you can actually earn 1 BPI point for every 35 pesos for every spend. So it also has the year-round perks and discounts, and it's up to 36 months installment terms as well, and it has the low foreign exchange conversion rate of 1.85%. So basically, I even use it here in the US for this BPI credit card. So basically, it's definitely worth it. So I also have the free travel insurance up to 2 million pesos. And I can actually access to instant cash. So basically, I can actually withdraw some ATMs worldwide whenever MasterCard is accepted. So yeah. So I really love this credit card a lot. So if you guys actually wondering um what how's my credit card from RCBC, so I actually created already a video that I already caught it because the the reason the reasons why I got my RCBC credit card, it's because number one, it hasn't been there it hasn't been used like several months ago, because the credit limit is very low, which is the credit limit is 9,500 pesos only. I don't know how much in US dollars. So basically, I think it's actually not practical to get a credit card with a very low credit limit. So um, when I actually got my credit card from RCBC, I do actually do call the hotline, so I can actually have access to call internationally to request my credit card to cut. And basically it is actually it is also a secret credit card too that holds my um, certain amount that I have in my savings account or in my business account in RCBC. So definitely it has been released already, so yeah. And then yeah, I actually do have only one credit card back in the Philippines. So yeah. And it's actually um, it's still very useful here in the US, especially if they actually wanted to investigate about my credit score back in the Philippines, whenever it is applicable. Okay, so next is I do have with my um, I do have with my Bank of Hawaii Visa debit card. So basically, this is an earning miles debit card from Bank of Hawaii. So basically, I actually use this a lot whenever I'll go shopping or whenever I go dining, some other stuffs like that. So basically, it earns miles that that I can redeem like whenever I wanted to. Sorry about that. So um, anyways, that I wanted to redeem for my trip to San Francisco, New York. So basically, I'm actually going. I do already booked. Sorry about the background noise, guys. So I do have already booked my ticket going to New York. So basically, if you're wondering to watch that as well, or yeah, and yeah, I usually earn miles for this. So basically, it's definitely worth it to have this. Okay, so maybe I'll proceed this compartment. So basically, I do have my two uh, U.S. federal government issued IDs here. So wait. Okay, so I do have with my instructor's permit. So basically, I'm actually getting a driver's license very soon. So yeah, this is my instructor's permit. So yeah, nothing interesting about it. Sorry about that. And then another one that I have here is my state ID. My US state ID here in Hawaii. So, basically, guys, it's very convenient for me to have this state ID with me. So, it is alternate for having my passport because I had a fear of losing my passport. So, yeah, I actually wanted to have my government IDs here in the US as well. So, I think I had the video as well that how to get a state ID here as an international student. Even though that you don't have social security, then it's one of my contents here in my YouTube channel as well. So you might watch that as well. So yeah, this is my state ID here in the US. So I'm actually wanted to share with you. So because there's some differences here. Um, so basically, this is my state ID and this is my instructor's permit. So the difference here of my two IDs that my state ID has as a real ID on it, like on a star, if you can see, and this one is not because instructor's permit are actually not going to issue for real ID unless if I had my driver's license with me. Then definitely I got the real ID for any federal purposes that I can actually present it, especially when it comes to bank transactions or boarding the aircrafts and somewhat. So yeah, it's actually up to you guys whenever you wanted to drive or not. So if you don't want to drive, then definitely recommend to have the state ID. And if you wanted to drive here in the US, I would recommend to have the driver's license with the real ID that has the star on it. So in my case, I wanted to have my two IDs with me. So I can have like double verification for my identity. So yeah. Okay, so I think we have the last compartment that I wanted to share, um, which is this side. So we've done everything about it. I think there's one card that I actually didn't put it here. What is it? Oh, it's actually my university ID from University of Hawaii that usually it's actually I usually use it a lot for my bus pass. So basically, every students that goes to University of Hawaii, so it actually gives a benefit to give students a free ride for the whole island of Oahu, Hawaii. So yeah. Yeah, my apologies for not putting here in my wallet. So, anyways, so I do have here with my um okay. So I do have here with my medical health insurance. So whenever something happens to me, whenever like let's say for example like uh I have been in an accident or food poisoning, then definitely I'll get my coverage benefit with my medical health insurance that I have from HMSA. Yeah. And then I do have here with my uh Costco wholesale executive members. So um some from other videos as well, Americans do actually like having this Costco wholesale at all times because it is actually has a lot of benefits here, but I can excuse me. So anyway, so I cannot actually fully explain some details here, but it's definitely worth it to have this Costco executive membership card. It's because that I can actually have my discounts or somewhat, and especially for some uh, member for the membership, getting a membership from Costco. So yeah, and then I do have here with my Deserve EDU Mastercard credit card. So basically, this is actually my very first credit card here in the US. That oh my goodness, this, this credit card that I actually never let it go because I do have my second credit card here. So basically, this credit card is actually the best thing to have, especially for international students who doesn't have the social security number or even ITIN. So definitely I would highly recommend to have this Deserve EDU MasterCard credit card. So what are the benefits of having this Deserve EDU MasterCard? So it has no annual fee for life and no foreign transaction fees. So you can actually use it whenever Mastercard is accepted. And then useful benefits like cell phone protection for at least $600. And yeah, it doesn't require for Social Security to apply, allowing international students to qualify or even ITIN. And another thing is to receive 1 year of Amazon Prime student on Deserve after spending $500 in the first three billing cycles. So yeah. And also, it earns 1% cash back on all purchases. Yeah, that's what I actually like it. So basically, all of my credit cards that I have here in the US are earning some cash back. So yeah. And yeah, that's it. So it's also one of my contents here in my YouTube channel as well. So you might actually wanted to watch that too. And lastly, so this is my favorite card at all times. So I do have with my American Express credit card. So basically, this is what we call the blue cash everyday from American Express. So I recently got approved this credit card that oh my goodness, I really love this card a lot. So a lot of Americans do create this kind of video about Express like platinum membership something or gold and so forth. So, oh my goodness, this is my favorite credit card at all times. So yeah, this is actually my second credit card here in the US. So I recently created that video as well, so you might as well watch that too, and I will share to you um, what are the benefits of having this American Express Blue Cash every day. So It has no annual fee fee for life. Sorry, what I actually meant is no annual fee, not free. So no annual fee for life, and then it earns 3% cash back at U.S. supermarkets on up to $6,000 in every purchases, and it also earns 3% cash back on U.S. online retail purchases as well on up to $6,000 for every purchase, and that is also include the gas stations as well. So yeah, they actually earn 3% cash backs in all some merchants here in the U.S. So I think most of Americans love American Express, especially for wealthy Americans. So yeah, and then yeah, I think that's all with my what's in my wallet right now. So possible that I might be creating another what's in my wallet video in the future, especially uh when I go back to the Philippines as well, or um whatever take it is. So yeah, we'll see. So let's proceed to the um, travel wallet. So yeah. So I'm gonna put out some what I have here. So basically, I do have with my Philippine passport. So basically, this is very essential, especially when you're going out of the country. So yeah, and also if you're actually like planning to go to trip, like let's say for example you'll go to Italy or um, South Korea or somewhat. So when you're traveling abroad, I would highly recommend to get the photocopy of your um, passport together with the visa, because I think some Americans do actually do that as well. Like if they were traveling abroad, then they have their photocopies because they had a fear of losing their passports. So basically, that is actually understandable that uh, you might as well have the photocopies as well. So I do actually recommend that as well. And I think that sums up the video. So that's it for the day. So thank you guys for watching, and I know that it is already 23 minutes video already, and I do wanted to apologize as well for my English grammar. We're very wrong sometimes because I'm actually trying to get used to it. So please bear with me that I'm not using my native language, which is Filipino or Tagalog. So yeah, I'm still trying to get used to it. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please to follow my social media accounts on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and Laika at Rey-Rey Tinaco. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on my next video.